quilting friends and YouTube family and blah 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 blah. We'll start again. Hello YouTube family and quilting friends. I'm Rob and I'm from Quilting in the Man Cave. And today I'm joined with my little buddies here, little Journey, my little miniature long-haired dachshund. And over here, which you can't really see, is my hound mix, one of my hound mixes. This guy is Rocco, and he's busy cleaning his paws at the moment. But anyways, I just finished watching Sean from The Guy Who Sews, and he inspired me that maybe I should get going here and create a video. And I mean, it's been a little while since I posted, and I've had good reasons for that. Back on Easter, I did get my confirmation into the Catholic Church, and I did receive my first Holy Communion, and I was quite busy for the months leading up to that, learning all about the Catholic Church in my RCIA classes. So I'm happy that that is done, and I feel like a whole new person since I received my confirmation. But anyways, I am here today to do a quick unboxing for this. Now, I'm not going to tell you where it's from because I am not endorsing any particular company at this point in time. Like I mentioned in my very first video, I have no agenda here. I am not trying to sell anybody anything. I'm just wanting to share my love of quilting with everybody. So I'm trying to get this box open. Let me tilt this camera down a little bit so maybe you can see what I'm doing here. So it's cut open, and again, I'm not mentioning what company I ordered this from. It is one of the major online companies. So I got the packing paper is out, and oh my gosh, yeah, it's not a big haul. Let's just pull all this out, and let's see what I have here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packs of this of these batik charm squares, and it's called the Emperor's Treasures. So let me open one, and I'm curious to see what they look like up close and personal. I know when you order from online sources, you don't always get to see everything. Let me clear this up a little bit so you can see what I'm doing here. Oh, look at here. I love batiks, and I love the beautiful patterns and colors that they come up with. Again, this is called the Emperor's Treasure, and it's from Island Batiks. Again, I'm not endorsing any particular company or product, but I do like batiks, and I think Island Batiks has very beautiful patterns and colors. Now, I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do with these yet, but they were on offer or on sale, and I liked them, and I'm like, okay, well, I'm going to get them. So this is the this might be coming up backwards for you. I don't know if it is. I'm sorry. So, oh, beautiful greens, purples, more greens, lime green, lavenders, purples, pink. The only thing that I dislike about Island Batiks charm squares and their layer cakes is they fold them over, so then you're gonna have they're like this for a beautiful presentation, but that means because they're packed up for so long, they get pretty set in creases. And the other thing that I dislike is the fact that they pair them up together, the each of the fabric is paired up like these two. And I noticed with their layer cakes, it's quite difficult sometimes to get them to separate. See what I mean about, you got kind of a heavy set-in crease here, so all these will have to be ironed before I use them. So that's that. And again, I got 4 packages. I'm gonna let go. Four packages. So I think if I match this up with a different kind of a solid batik, I think it'll make a nice little throw for my sofa here. And then I bought these as well. I really am partial to low volume and neutral fabrics. This is Caramel Macchiato by William, no, I can't read it. I think it's maybe I can read the back. I thought it was Henry Glass, but it's not. It's Wilmington. But I do have plans for this. I have been collecting neutral charm squares and some browns that I'm going to make a quilt for my bed. Oh, alright, so that was that, and I've got this here. This is going to be my next project. I'm not going to tell you exactly what it's going to be just yet, but I have a whole bunch of layer cake squares here. There's 2 packs, greens, and then the reverse is browns, and I've already matched them up for the particular quilt that I'm going to make. So I'm not going to be separating too much of these because I got them paired up pretty much the way that I want them. So, and then if this gives you any indication on what I'm going to be making, these are 1-inch solid black strips that I've cut out. So maybe that'll give you some kind of an idea of what I am planning on doing with this. I'm hoping to get started either later today or maybe tomorrow after church with this project. We'll see how the editing of this video goes. Okay, so that's that. Let's push this off to the side for a second. And the last thing that was in this package is the small size block lock ruler. So that might maybe give you an idea of what I'm planning on doing with all these low volumes and the brown charm squares that I've been collecting. Oh, Rocco, quit licking my leg. My youngest is down here licking my leg, and he's a character. So I'm trying to get this plastic off of here. I think we got it. Okay, this is a, gotta move it, 4.5-inch block lock square up ruler, which I'm excited to get. Alright, so there's that. So as I mentioned, I did get my confirmation and my first Holy Communion, and in a previous video I talked and showed briefly the quilt that I was making for one of the teachers of my RCIA classes, and I did complete it. I did get it done in time for my confirmation gift to her. Sadly, I don't have it with me. I gave it to her on Easter Sunday, and she absolutely loved it, but I did get some pictures of it before I gave it to her, so I will be inserting the pictures right about here, front and back. It was just a simple, like, string strip quilt that I made for her in purples and oh, what color was that? Like avocados and greens. It really turned out lovely, and she absolutely adored it. And I did ask her before I made it for her what her favorite colors were, and she specifically said lavenders and purples, so that's what she got, a lavender purple quilt with a little bit of some green in it for some contrast. So again, I have inserted the pictures I only took 2 pictures that actually turned out, so hopefully I'll be able to have them inserted, or they will have already been inserted into this video. So I think that's about all that's happening in my little world. I want to kind of start sewing a little bit. I took some time off after rushing to complete my teacher's quilt that I just needed to take a little break from sewing so that I could get some other things accomplished, and spending some time with my boys, as they kind of got, I'm not going to say neglected, but they didn't get as much attention as they would normally get when I'm not sewing all day, all night, all day and all night. So I think that's about it. I just want to welcome all of you who are watching this video, and please take a moment to hit the like button, and by all means leave a comment and subscribe, please. Again, I have no agenda. I don't have any affiliations with any companies. I have no product that I'm trying to sell. I'm just wanting to share my love of the quilting hobby. So y'all have yourself just the best day ever. I will see you all real soon. And oh, remember, don't forget to take care of the homeless dogs, cats, and animals in this world by supporting your local humane society or rescue group. Small financial donations are always needed and well received. If you can't do that, perhaps you could make a dog or a cat quilt, or if you have some old towels or blankets laying around, perhaps some cleaning supplies, dog food, cat food, anything that you can do to help the homeless dog, cat, and animal population. So that's my spiel that I give just about every video. So if you don't like animals, dogs and cats, specifically dogs, maybe I'm not the channel you should be watching. So you take care, have a great day, stay blessed, and I will see you very, very soon. I'm out of here. Whoosh.